So one of the questions that I get asked regularly is how I record content anywhere that I go, especially as I travel a lot in the world and I go visit different cities and I'm in different hotels and resorts and everything else, and I still record content, create courses and do everything else that I normally do. Tomorrow I'm actually recording content that is for that's for a 6-day course, and so I needed to set up a studio in this hotel that I just checked in earlier today, and I'm still on my bike trip, so obviously I have my bike and everything in that corner, but then that table used to be here in this with this chair, and I moved that table to be there. I always carry a tripod with me, like a mini tripod. This is called a Gorilla tripod, and I carry my GoPro Hero 9. The reason that I carry GoPro Hero 9 is because I can put the Hero 9 on my bike here and I can record the road. So if you have watched any of my road videos, technically that's where it goes there, but then now I can use it also as a webcam. And then I have my iPad with me, which normally I use it to record videos from my GoPro Hero 9, and I always carry my laptop. So I carry my laptop and iPad with me all the time. But then here is the thing. Now tomorrow I'm going to teach my course, and I always teach my course live with some audience live. And so what that will happen is that I'll have a lot of energy on the call. People can ask me questions, other things. So that's really good. And so here is the thing. When I'm sitting here, I'll have my PowerPoint here and I'll be on Zoom with this device, and then I'll be on Zoom as a guest on that device. So I can see my audience view right there and I can see my creator view right here. So if I make any mistakes or anything, I can immediately see it on that. So that's a student computer in a way, and that's the teacher computer, right? And right above that, I have the webcam. Why do I do that? Is because I like to look at people while I'm teaching, and if I have it here, I look down, and I don't want to be looking down at my camera there, right? However, I needed to have good view, and if the camera was here, if I was using the camera here, then this would be looking up at you, and you don't want to look up. You want to look straight at you or look a little bit higher than you, okay? And if you look at that light there, technically that light is that lamp is a lamp that comes with the hotel, so that technically was like this, and I mean, as you see, it's a yellow light, so I took it out, and then that gives me a bright white light, and yeah, that's gonna be my view and what people see of me, and obviously I'll have my PowerPoint and everything. So